Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the sweet world of honey with a spotlight on the best Homestead Honey Sticks available. These Homestead Honey Sticks are not your average sweet treat. They're single-serve stir sticks packed with pure, uncut, unfiltered American honey. Made by bees that roam the Rocky Mountains, you can trust that each stick is filled with nothing but the finest natural honey. One of the first things you'll notice about these honey sticks is their superior packaging. Crafted with safe, BPA-free plastic, these sticks are not only durable but also incredibly easy to open. No more dealing with broken or leaking sticks, just pure honey goodness every time. Now, let's talk about versatility. These honey sticks aren't just for adding sweetness to your tea or coffee, although they do an excellent job at that. You can get creative and add them to yogurt, hot water, hot chocolate, ice cream, or even a smoothie or milkshake. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about their health benefits. Honey is not only a delicious natural sweetener, but it's also known for its various health properties. Whether you're looking to soothe a sore throat or simply add a touch of sweetness to your day, these honey sticks have got you covered. What sets these Homestead Honey Sticks apart is their commitment to quality and transparency. Sourced from local beekeepers and happy honeycombs, you can trust that you're getting nothing but the best with each stick. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a convenient, delicious, and versatile sweetener, look no further than these Homestead Honey Sticks. Perfect for on-the-go snacking, adding to your favorite beverages, or simply enjoying straight from the stick, they're a must-have pantry staple. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy snacking!